The Infinix Note 50 Pro 5G, often referred to as the Pro, is a well-rounded mid-range smartphone that offers strong features at an affordable price, particularly in markets like Pakistan, 7480K PKR, $245, $285 USD. Core specifications: display 6.78 FHD plus AMOLED, 144 Hz refresh rate, up to 1.3K nits peak brightness, approximately 393 PPU processor, MediaTek Helio G100 Ultimate chipset, 6 nanometers, octa-core CPU with Mali G57 MC2 GPU, memory, 8 GB or 12 GB RAM, storage, 256 GB UFS, 2.2 no microSD slot, battery charging, with a 5,200 mAh battery with 90W fast charging, full in approximately 38 min, 30W wireless MagCharge, plus reverse wired wireless charging, or cameras, rear 50MP main OIS, 8MP ultra-wide supports up to 1440p at 30 fps, 1080p at 240 fps, front 32MP selfie at 1080p or software extras, Android 15 with XOS 15, under-display fingerprint, JBL tuned stereo speakers, NFC IR blaster, FM radio, IP64 rating, dust splash resistant, performance experience. Reviewer Yugatech praised its performance in games like Call of Duty Mobile, noting efficient thermals and benchmark scores of Antutu 440K and Geekbench 6 single multi-731 2008s. Gaming. COD handled smoothly. Heavier titles like Genshin Impact dropped to low settings, and approximately 30 FPS with occasional stutter. UI in daily use. XOS 15 brings AI tools, FOLAC Assistant, AI Eraser, etc., but might include bloatware ad prompts, a common critique from some users. Reddit feedback reflects mixed opinions. Pros cons, recursion pros, stunning 144 Hz AMOLED display with 1300 nits brightness bloatware and ads in XOS, OIS stabilized 50MP main camera wide angle, support no micro SD slot, massive battery, ultra-fast wired wireless reverse charging, ultra-wide shots could improve, pleasant gaming performance and thermal control, no native 5G support, feature-rich stereo speakers, NFC, IP64, price value, in Pakistan, officially $79,999, $245. Street prices can dip to 75K. In global markets, expect around $285 MSRP for the base, 8 GB 256 GB model. The Note 50 Pro is among the best value picks for those wanting a high-refresh AMOLED screen, strong battery tech, dependable camera, and solid gaming with typical mid-range trade-offs.